There, it's coming. That is the culprit. I hope that's the worst of it for today. Oh, now to try to get this girl in here. Bye-bye, Beans. Drive on, driver. All right, here we go, y'all. We gotta move some barley. We gotta get some barley to put in the hopper so we can go to planting. Now that beans are done. Good feeling. And he's off to seed. So he's putting it in this field, this one of the very last fields that he cut. And I'm over here in this field where we plant a matua, and I was thinking on the way down the road, I don't see it at all, and it's been planted at least 2 or 3 weeks now. So I got out here and I'm walking, and I do see a few sprouts, and when you look, it's really hard to see looking down the rows, but we're gonna see if we can find it. You can see where the rows were. You can see that. Okay. But where? Oh, where? Here's a line. There we go. T90 little sprig. And a little more. So it's there. It's coming. It's just got a ways to go. But at least it's coming up. For some reason, this row is like dragging. It's on the same setting. Huh. It's just cutting too deep. See that? There. Oh. Is it not turning? It's like stuck. One thing, this wheel's not turning. One thing, this little wheel's not really turning. It's like stuck.
Well, that's called it.
Okay. Oil? That is the culprit.
No. Right.
So the bearing is bad.
Big spacing, 2 wash.
Okay. So this is the old one. It just won't turn at all. This is a new one. Well, okay. It's a used one that works. Can we say that?
You can't say that.
Okay, we can say that.
No.
I can't believe it, but this is made in the USA. Yay.
This, when it comes down to the ground, it must be bent a little something.
Okay, here's hoping that works. It looks like it should. It's a good thing we came over here to take a little video and a little drone footage. Ended up needing some help. Okay, I hope that's the worst of it for today, because it wasn't a hard fix, it just took a little while. Okay. More new plans today. The guy that hauls our beans called and said he could come get a load in like an hour and a half. We thought he was coming at the end of the week, which is good. We need some to go. So we had to come over here so we can set the auger up, but we got to move the small auger in order to get the big auger, take it down, move it. It's a lot of moving. It's a lot of moving pieces, y'all. I guess he finished seeding, I don't know. But anyway, if he did it, he's got to be very close. Like an act of Congress to get things done. Oh me. Okay. It feels like a little marathon getting that all set up.
Put a block under the
Will both of those trucks fill up a truck? Will both of these fill up a truck? No, I didn't think so. He said he got about 2/3 of the field done. He's going to run out of seed, so. Okay.
Just use the back up there and load with the bucket from there, bring it up around something else.
Yeah. Okay. She asked him if he wanted me to bring him a sandwich. I decided to walk home. I was just about to start a workout that I didn't get done yesterday when he called. So I might not get it done today either. We were supposed to go practice today. The weather is beautiful. And normally the kids would have church tonight, but they don't have it this week because Wesley was at that thing this weekend. So they're taking the week off. So it looks like there's a possibility of rain this weekend, so I wasn't sure if practice would pan out. So today, we're going today, but now I'm not sure. Okay, number 2, sandwich number 2 ordered. Is that it? Oh my goodness. All right, now to try to get this girl in here. That's mighty close. Mighty close. I don't even know if it's going to have enough room with that tree right there, which totally needs to be knocked down anyway. Okay, he's going to do it. It's like just right. No, you need to go more. Alright, it's our buddy Nathan. I should have been videoing. He's so nice. And he did a great job, and he backed in here perfect, which can be a problem for some people. So, all's well. All's well that ends well. Now we just got, they said that bin is full to like the very top. What'd you say it holds? 3,500 bushels? More than that? Anyway, it's full. Bye-bye, beans. All right, now we're gonna bring the big auger over here and set it up. So the next time Nathan comes back, hopefully Nathan, Lawrence said he wants Nathan to keep coming. It'll be ready to go. Drive on, driver. At least we don't have to crank it up or down. And we could just leave the little buckets up there. That's good. This won't be bad. Hey baby, getting his supper. Getting his supper, isn't he? He's a little boy. Now he's looking. Look at that milk face. Hey buddy. Hey cutie. So pretty with the sun going down hitting these trees. Ooh, 7. You got 9? We don't have, I don't think we have 9. Nope. No 9. And that's a little baby anyway. That's a little one. A T-bone. It does look like a T-bone or a twister. Tornado. We've had some twisters in the past. Good looking babies. Oh, look at that milk face. And your mama's. Look at that sunset. Okay, well, if it's not obvious, we did not go ride horses today. The truck was about twice as far away as we thought it was, so we had to stay here and do that. And then we needed to check cows, so that's done though. We're ready to go. Whenever they want to come again and get the rest, that will be good. I'm not sure if he's going to try to get in corn tomorrow night. We will talk about that at the supper table. I am whipping up some, let me show you. Beef tips. I'm going to do stroganoff with beef tips. I'm just kind of browning them a little bit here. I cut them up. They're already small, but I cut them up a little thinner. And got about half done there. They're about half raw, half not. Then we're going to come in with some onion and some beef broth and some mushrooms and some cream. Sour cream, I believe. And we're going to see what we can do. I got that boiling for some pasta. I think I'm going to do... The kids and I really like sauteed kale. The farmer does not love it so much. So he might just get a salad or something. I don't know. Whatever. It'll all be good. Oh. Okay. Things are falling. Get back there, Hank.